Okay, this is a part 2 for repairing the DIY repairing the Tesla Model Y seat with airbag being deployed. I still haven't received the airbag yet, but I did just finish the hand sewing of this open stitches. It's actually very simple and the result was really hard to tell. The stitches started right here. As you can see, this is the only thing that's noticeable because this is where the new thread need to join the existing thread. That's why you can see I notice a little bit seam, but all the way along here everything was hand stitched towards the end. I'm using a really good wax thread come with a package. It was a toolkit and the entire thing was sold for like $7 from Amazon, so it's really not a lot of work. This stitch took me maybe 1 hour to finish, and I'm relatively new to sewing. The tools being used are listed here. Literally, these are the only thing I use. Mainly use this needle, use this to pull the thread. Actually, I forgot to join this thread. This is the thread that I used. The color matching. I used the scissors to cut off the head and used it to poke a couple of the threads company. This is only used to tie the finishing knot to make it easier because it's really difficult to work around this one. Yeah, but that's it. Saved about $200 by hand sewing this. Next step, I'm gonna put the foam back and wait for the airbag to be arrived. Once that's arrived, I'm put airbag right inside and put the seat back together.